Hello and welcome to the mine with BRIO train. Train was driving full speed ahead, but suddenly it had to stop. What on earth is going here? There is no bridge at all. Now we need building blocks to construct the bridge. The second train immediately took off for more building blocks, but the tunnel is collapsed and road is blocked. We must blast the tunnel so train can drive to the next stop. This crane is lifting heavy building block and loading it to the freight wagon. It's very heavy. Now we are ready to go. Building block must be moved through the refinery to another train. We still need more building blocks, because the bridge is very long. Luckily the crane has one more building block for the bridge. Now both building blocks are delivered to the construction site. Now bridge is completed and the road trip can continue. We must remember that we can drive only when light is turned green. This was very busy day at the mine with BRIO. Everybody did their excellent job and the bridge was built quickly. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe for more videos.